Mro? They say safety has 4 walls. I believed them. My strength was not enough. My fear was right all along.
I got it! I saved dinner.
My brave little hero. You can have a very important job. Can you make the table beautiful for us?
It's ready, Mama.
This is everything. We think love is a grand gesture, a rescue, a feast.
But it's not. It's smaller.
It's the patience in the pause.
It's the chaos you allow, the joy you don't orchestrate, the happiness